Hello, thank you for watching Ask a Rat, part of the Rats Are Running series. This session, dog. Hello, my name is Olaf. I'll be talking to you about all them wonderful dogs. The domain name is Eukaryoita. Kingdom is Animalia. The phylum name is Chordata. The class name is Mammalia. The order name is Carnivora. The family name is Canidae. The genus name is Canis. The species name is C. lupus, and the subspecies is C. familiaris. Dogs were domesticated somewhere between 15,000 and 100,000 years ago, and ever since they sure been our bestest friends. I know I like my dog. Please take good care of the dogs. Hello. If you would like us to answer your question in video form, please email your question to aclepd@aclepd.com. This is a free service. Thank you.